Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a Visa gift card to Venmo. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your Venmo app is up to date. Open the app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to access your account. Once on your profile page, scroll down to find the Banks and Cards section. Now tap on Add a Bank or Card. You'll see two options. Select Card. Enter the Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code on the back. Venmo may also ask for a billing zip code. If your Visa gift card doesn't have a zip code printed, try entering your home zip code. This often works, as many gift cards are set up to accept a user-provided zip code. If that doesn't work, call the customer service number on the back of the gift card to find the correct zip code linked to it. After entering all the required information, double-check for accuracy. If everything matches, your Visa gift card will be added to your Venmo account instantly. So that's basically how you can add a Visa gift card to Venmo. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.